Unlock the secret to effortlessly professional videos in minutes using just your phone. Today, we're diving into the power of CapCut Templates, your shortcut to creating eye-catching videos for social media, personal memories, or anything in between. First things first, open your CapCut app. You'll notice a prominent Templates button. Usually at the bottom of your screen, give that a tap. This opens up a treasure trove of predestined video styles you can browse by category A circumflex Euros. Think trendy, birthday, travel, vlogs A circumflex Euros, or see what's currently trending to stay on top of the latest looks. Found one you love? Simply tap on the template to see a preview and get details. You'll see a Use Template button. Tap that, and CapCut will guide you through the next step. Now, it's time to personalize. CapCut will show you placeholder spots for photos and videos. Tap on each placeholder to access your camera roll and select your own media. Simply choose the photos or video clips you want to use, and CapCut will automatically integrate them into the template's design. It's that easy. Your chosen media will seamlessly fit into the template's timing, animations, and effects. Once all your media is added, you'll have a complete video look. For the export button, usually in the top right corner. Tap Export, and in just moments, you'll have a professional-looking video ready to share with the world or keep as a cherished memory. Mastering CapCut Templates means saving time, boosting your creativity, and producing stunning results with minimal effort. Start creating your video masterpieces today.